こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today, kanji video number 13. And this is the last video of Kanji JLPT 5. So after this video, you will know all 110 kanjis of JLPT 5. The first kanji is this. And there are two parts. This part of hen and the right part is tsukuri. The pronunciation is sha or ja, and the meaning is the sacred place. Stroke order. At first, this part of hen, one, like this, with inclination. Two, it's like fu from katakana, but longer. And third one, this long line. Three. This is the longest. And 4. This is ne, katakana. And so the same, only the difference, this is only one part of kanji. So you must write narrower. This hen, it's like ne from katakana, is called shimesu hen. The meaning is sacred or holy. Here are some kanjis using shimesu hen. For example, the first one, this is the God. And the second one, rei. Rei is the Japanese way for greeting. Rei. And this is fuku. Fuku, this is happiness or luckiness. And this is so, it was ancestor. And this is iwaimasu, to celebrate. And this is zen, like Buddhist zen. Inorimasu, to pray. And the last one, and this one, sha, the place where the sacred things. I'm going to continue how to write this order. No, you know this shimesu hen. And now this part, this tsukuri, this is tsuchi, soil. And doyobi, Saturday. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. So it's very easy. Ne from katakana and tsuchi. Let's see the examples how to read these kanjis in jukugo. Jukugo is the combination of kanjis. With this kanji, kaisha. Kaisha. Kaisha means the company or enterprise. Now I just changed the order. The first sha and the second one kai. Shakai, it means society. Now we add this nagai. Nagai is long. But here we pronounce cho. And when we pronounce cho, and we talk about the person, and this cho, it means this is the boss. This is the most important person of this place. In this case, sha, it comes from kaisha, company. Shacho, so the most important person in the company. This is president of the company. Shacho. Next kanji is this one, Eki Station. And this has got also two parts, left part and right part. Hen and tsukuri. Though it looks like difficult, but it's not so difficult because we already studied this part. Here, uma, this is horse. In the order is just as the same as the horse, uma. So let's see the stroke order quickly. The first, this long line, 1, 2, I will be going up, 3, and now 4, 5, and this is the same space, okay? And now, this sixth line, longer than this before. Longer, and you are going here and jump. And now 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this, the first one, this inclination, only first one. But the second, third, fourth, this inclination. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see the part of tsukuri, the right part. The first one is this one. 1. And you are going a little bit inside, okay? 1. And you finish again. 2. And now this red line. At first you are going down But then the last part, you are going to your left. And now from here, you are going to your right, and this is longer one, and you like this. There's only one way to pronounce Eki Station, train station, subway station. And I want to talk about the name of the station. For example, Tokyo Station, Tokyo Eki, Osaka Station, Osaka Eki. Adding this kanji, mae, in front of, eki mae, in front of the station. Or we can also say with particle no, eki no mae. It's the same meaning. Eki no mae, eki mae, in front of the station. Next kanji is this one, mise, shop, store, and sometimes we can pronounce ten. Here we use the radicals of tare like this. Radicals, we say bushu. Here you see some kanjis using these radicals, tare. And there are some types, a little bit different types too. This kind of tare, with this one, it's called Madare. Madare, it's something to do with houses. Again, with this kanji, nagai, long, and also I told you cho when we pronounce cho. And about the person, this is the principal person, main person, the most important person of this place. This means store or the shop. And here we are going to pronounce ten, tencho. So store and the main person. It means store manager, tencho. The stroke order, at first Madare, 1, 2, and here 3, going to your left. And now fourth, this is in the center, this green line, 4, 5 here. And now mouth, 6, 7, and you're going your inside, and the last one you finish. Now combination with other kanji. This one, demasu, to go out. And here with this one, we've got two ways to pronounce. The first one, demasu, de mise, demise. Literary meaning of demise is outside and shop. The shop that is in outside. So demise, it means street booth or street store, street stand. The other way to pronounce this kanji is shutten, shutten, and this is going to be the verb, shutten shimasu, shutten suru. It means to open up a store or to start a store. Now three kanjis together. Inshokuten. This one comes from nomimasu, to drink. This is from tabemasu, to eat. But here we pronounce in shokuten. Inshokuten. The store where we can drink and eat. So it's the synonym of restaurant. Inshokuten. The last kanji is this one, kuni. It means the country. The radical of this kanji, kuni, is kamae. Kamae has got the meaning of to enclose or to surround. And this type of kamae is called kuni gamae. Because of this kanji, kuni. This kanji, kuni, the country, comes from like this. This is the king. There is a king with a treasure. The king with a treasure in some place. This in one country. So kuni is a country. Now the stroke order. At first, this one, the black line. 1, a little bit going inside. And 2, also inside. And now, instead of finishing this line, now we are going to begin in the center. The center, this is the king. Here, that's the blue line. 3 and 4 straight down. 5 and 6. This is about the same distance, okay? This is the king. And now with a treasure. Boom, this is a treasure. And the last one, we finish enclosing this line. This is the country, kuni. Combination with this kanji, soto, it means outside, soto. But here we pronounce in onyomi, gai. Gai, koku, onyomi, koku. Gaikoku, outside country. So, gaikoku, it means a foreign country. Adding this kanji, go, it means the language. So, gaikoku go, foreign languages. Adding this kanji, person, hito, but here we pronounce jin. Gaikokujin, foreigner, foreigners. But we can also say in the shorter way, gaijin. Now let's add this kanji of naka, inside, naka. But here we pronounce chugoku. Chugoku, this is China. Then we add this go, language. Chugoku-go, it means Chinese language. Adding a person, hito, but here we pronounce jin. Chugokujin, Chinese people. Adding this kanji, minami, it means the south. But here we pronounce nan, and nangoku. So the country is in the south. So countries in the south, actually. But nangoku, it can be tropical countries. Adding this kanji, ten, we pronounce tengoku. Tengoku is paradise. With this kanji go, we pronounce kokugo. Kokugo. This is national language that we learn at school. For example, we Japanese people learned Japanese at school as a subject. Kokugo, adding this kanji of mother, haha, but here we pronounce bo. Bokoku, mother country. So, bokoku is homeland or motherland or fatherland. Bokoku. Adding this go, bokoku-go, bokoku-go, mother tongue. This last lesson of kanji today, we learned 4 kanjis, but altogether till now, we learned 110 kanjis, quite a lot. So now a quiz time, and we'll all of these, okay? And now this time 10 questions, 10 translations into Japanese. Please use as many kanji as possible. 1番目 There is a restaurant in front of the station. But here, I don't want you to use restaurant as katakana because I told you there's a jukugo of 3 kanjis together and it means restaurant. Do you remember it? So I want you to use this kanji. So there is a restaurant in front of the station. 2番目 The president of this company is a foreigner. 3番目 I go to the company by train. 4番目 There is a beautiful flower shop in front of the station. 5番目 My mother can speak Chinese. 6番目 Store manager is not here now. 7番目 My father goes abroad next week. 8番目 I can read books in Japanese. 9番目 The exit of the station is over there. 10番目最後です。I bought a new car last month. So we learned last 4 kanjis of JLPT 5 levels kanjis. But please remember this, please, because this is very, very basic kanjis. So I want you to learn how to write them well, because it's not difficult. The next lesson of kanji will be for the JLPT 4 level. I hope these videos of kanji could help you learn more kanjis. If you think this video was useful for you, please share with your friends too. That will help me a lot. And also your subscription and your like and nice comments can motivate me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日は日本語能力試験5級の最後の漢字のビデオです。全部で 漢字を110も勉強してきたんですよ。すごいですね。この初めの110の漢字はとても基礎ですから、絶対に覚えてください。私のビデオが少しでも役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひお友達にシェアしてください。とても助かります。そしてチャンネル登録、いいねボタン、そしてコメントなどもいただけたらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。では次の漢字のビデオは4級です。これからも頑張りましょう。じゃあね。